Alright guys, today we are putting a new, well not new, it's used because you can't find these new, no, unless there's a company getting them used and making them new. But yeah, this is what I'm putting on. There's a bolt in the back. I guess it's these bolts right here, which would be that one, and it is a 8mm. And then for this one has a little cap. Just like that. Check it out. They cut the freaking wire, dude. Whoa, freaking spider. What the hell, dude? Why would you cut the wire? Fucking dumb fucking dude. Well, I could splice those and connect them, I guess. I can. But fuck. The new one. Damn you, fucking moron. So I don't know what the hell now. It's supposed to connect here, but that's connected to that. It connects to this. What the fuck? Yeah, because probably the connection went onto this. And there's that one. That wire right there on it. So that's what the wire is supposed to look like. It's because this is 1995, I think, and this is 98, but who knows? Well, fuck, I'm gonna have to figure that out later. Damn, dude. I guess everything's not interchangeable because when I got this car, it was a 1995 GT, and it's the same 94 through 2004, but or 94 to 1998 is the last year of this round body style, and then it goes to 99 to 2004, and it changes a lot, the new edge. Well shit, I guess I'm just gonna put it in there. I don't know what, I'm not gonna have no freaking airbag. What the hell, dude? Well, I have a horn because I think, yeah, okay, I have a horn, I guess, because when you press it touches like that. Those, yeah, that's how that kind of works in a way. So you take off this nut. I was gonna pull this off the steering wheel, but I don't have the tool, guys. I have to buy the tool, and I don't have no money. I have to get my license. I mean my sticker for my truck and insurance, and I have to take my dog Loli. Guys, I found out that she's some kind of Japanese Shiba dog or something like that, and she's not husky or chow. Or yeah, she's a Shiba, and she's cool because she has like kind of like a cat-like tendencies where she'll go through your legs and like she'll gets on your lap like a cat. It's weird, like, but that kind of dog is from Japan. They're real good hunting dogs and loyal, very smart too. Um, yeah, it's very smart. Awesome dog my cousin gave me. But yeah, so I guess I'm just gonna just put it in there, guys, because the airbag's brand new on this page right there. Sad. This one hasn't been popped. Damn. that's the way it is. Let me put it on and see how it looks. Bolts go right here on the side of these holes. On the other side. Well, guys, it went on there pretty nice. How old it is, you can see like the bag. Or I think that's the cutout inside, so when it explodes, it. Oh yeah, you can see it. It is probably the cutout from inside, so it can explode. Oh, crazy. Oh, it looks nice now. Ooh, lock wheel. Yeah, it looks nice. Sweet. Just gotta get that wheel fixed now. Wheel sloppage. It's up the bearing. They're known to do that. Yeah. So, next thing to do is gonna be this freaking thing. Let me show it to you. This thing right here, guys. Oh, and a sticker for that too. But gonna have to get that. So I'm gonna order one of those. Today is the 21st, so another like 10 more days. Get it next month, hopefully. Yeah, I don't even know if I can get it. So that's what I'm doing. Whoa, boy. So yeah, I'm gonna get that piece, and that's it, guys. That actually leather piece has been holding up very well. Check it out. You guys want to get some? Pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. These little ones want to like peel off right here, but they still hold up, you know? They really hold up there. I guess if you do it right, maybe take off all the grease, you know? And it keeps it from ripping. But that's it, guys. Just wanted to show you, little by little, getting this Mustang going. Might have to just get me a whole new engine. Or like, what is it? I think the most $3,000 for these engines. But I like it. Yeah, I like the heads on them. I think they're PI heads from a 2004. So I just got to get a 2004 heads and the bottom end from 98. Because the bottom end's from the 98s, and I got to make sure it's a Windsor bottom end with 98. Because the Romeos are not as strong as the Windsors. And maybe I just rebuilt this one. I don't know. But yeah, guys. Hey, look what my girl got me. I told you. She's cool. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace. What else? What else is there? I think there the truck. I haven't put the bumper on the truck, guys, because I told you it's bent like an inch and a half, and it needs to be bent back. So the frame in the front is bent. The most like an inch, and it's not affect the driving of the truck or nothing like that. It doesn't do nothing like that. It's just the bumper can't go on because the bolts don't line up. Later on, I'm gonna box that frame. Ooh, later I'll take it all apart and box it. And what else? Let's turn it on. See, we have a horn, right? I didn't even show that. All right, let's see. My old Carcaccia, my junk car. Well, it's not a, it's a junky car, but I like my junky car. It's all I can afford. You know, people out there that fucking complain for like something on their car, and like, I don't know, maybe the color, maybe their mom and dad got them a badass car and they're like, oh, the color, like, what? Fuck the color, I'll give it to me, I'll fucking wrap it, keep it for a couple years and then sell it. You heard that? Didn't sound good. It's misfiring. Yeah, something's wrong with the engine, guys. I think the engine's hurt. the back spark plug was bent. Maybe the valve stems are loose and hitting the spark plugs. Oh, it doesn't work. Gosh dang it. Of course it ain't gonna work. It's probably a fuse or something. Gosh dang it. No check engine light. Only because the battery was off. Oh, it still says airbag. Probably because that one's popped too. You see the glue? Yeah, that one's popped too. So I think when I change it, I gotta reset the computer. Maybe, you know, it was kind of freaking cars. But that's good. Looks better than all cracked out, looking like a damn Buminator. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace. Oh yeah, and that's how you change the steering wheel cover. Later on, I'll probably change the steering wheel because I'm driving on fierro, nothing but steel. That's how you say steel in Spanish. Fierro. Puro fierro, Holmes. That's what I'm driving on, Holmes. Puro pinche fierro la verga. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.